Hi everyone, there's no mic today because it's absolutely peeing down and I don't want to get the mic wet, but the camera is waterproof. I've just been to the cinema, I've come out and it's torrential and I've looked at the forecast and it's about for another 3 hours. You can't get a taxi because everyone's getting a taxi at the same time, so my only option now is to ride home. So I thought, what better way to show you what the roads are like when the clouds open. So let's get on the bike and I'll show you the state of the roads when it rains in Thailand. I don't have an option. I'm going to get soaked to the skin, but it is what it is. It's only just gone 10 o'clock at night. The only thing is you don't know how deep the puddles are. You know what this reminds me of? When I went from London to Tenerife on my Ducati and the clouds opened and I had a summer jacket on, so the rain went straight to the skin. Oh. Yeah, I did try getting a taxi, leaving the bike here, but again, you just can't get one. So I'll just have to get on with it. If you're in a bar, that's great, because you just stay there till the rain stops. But if you're not, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be honest, behind me in Soi Buakhao it would have been flooded, but because I've got a tiny little 125 I didn't want to get it stranded. It's only little wheels on this thing. Just being careful of the drains. So we're coming to the end of Soi Buakhao now, and then we're going to take a right turn. The thing is, even though you get soaked to the skin, and it is uncomfortable, I'm not going to lie, but it's still 28 degrees. Yeah, just buying them drain covers, they are deadly. By the way, I went to see the new Margot Robbie film. It weren't bad, it was alright. Just coming up to Second Road, we're going to take a left back into Pattaya. Yeah, the torrential rain has stopped now, so it's just raining. This part is deadly because it's all metal. So you come round there at speed, you've had it. Yeah, there's something quite nice about riding in the rain because it's so warm. Yeah, you're not going to see the floods, which would have been a great video because it really is, or can be, up to your knees. But I just didn't want to chance it on this little bike. But you get to see nighttime video as well. You can see it bouncing off the road. So trust me, it's proper raining. I was just thinking, I wonder how many people on bikes that don't usually wear a crash helmet would actually wear one just to keep their head dry. Boy, they're quite deep then, puddles. Yeah, I wonder. Gonna get a red light, so I'm gonna take a left and do the cheeky one that all the bikers do. Take a left and then just do a U. Well, not a U-turn, but back onto here, and then we can take a left. Oh. Oh dear. Pattaya, Pattaya. You see it all running down this hill at speed. So yeah, I wouldn't want to live at the bottom of the hill. full of them drain covers. Well, do you know what? I'm glad I took the decision to bring the bike back, because I could have been waiting hours for the rain to stop.
And a few moments later,
made it. So yeah, I am soaked to the skin, but I'm glad I just went for it, because now I'm home. The bike's now under a shelter, so it's not exposed all night to the weather. Yeah, get back now. Well, I'm here, have a shower, put the TV on, and put it down to experience. So there you go. It's a little ride in the rain, guys. You know, it's quite fascinating sometimes, because when it rains, it rains. You didn't see the torrential, and you didn't see the knee-deep lakes that can happen in Soi Buakhao, because I will absolutely guarantee that that's what's happening at the moment in Soi Buakhao, down the bottom end or the middle. But just didn't want to chance it, guys. Maybe one day I'm going to get caught when I'm down there, and then I'll be able to show you the real depth of what this rain can do in town. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Bit of a random video, but why not? Love to loot me mama sis back in the UK as usual. And for now, I'll see you on the next one when it's drier.